Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaizas Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful tissue box cover, which is very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very quickly. I have used here 100% acrylic yarn, and the stitch is very tight and very nice. This is how the pattern looks. If you're watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, so whenever I upload new video you will get the notification. Also to get more videos on this tissue box cover crochet, just please visit my channel. You will get the playlist, or I'll give the link below in the description box. So without further delay, let's start our project. To start this project, I have taken here the yarn, which is from Himalaya super soft yarn. The hook size they recommend is 5 mm. It has 200 grams. It is 100% acrylic yarn. The code is 80841. And to crochet the tissue box here, the 5 mm hook size, and we need to have a pair of scissors. So let's start this project with the slip knot. And then I'm going to make chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34. So I have made here 34 chains. Now let's measure the opening of this tissue box. So this size is enough for me. If you want to go for a little more bigger, longer or wider, you can add the chains. Now I got here 34, so I'm going to do the slip stitch. If you want, you can add more chains. So here we have 34 chains. Now let's keep this chain straight, and I'm going to make the slip stitch. Insert the hook into this and pull the yarn through this. Okay, then we'll make chain 3. 1 2 3. Again going to add 2 more chain. 1 2. Yarn over, insert the hook into the very next, and I'm going to make 1 double crochet. This is our first corner. Yarn over, into the next we'll make 1 double crochet. This is our third double crochet. This is into the next, the fourth one, and then yarn over. Before doing the next double crochet, let's make chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the next, we'll make 1 double crochet. So we got here 2 corners, chain 2 space we will consider as 2 corners. In between we got 3 double crochets. So totally we got here 5 chains. We used them 5 chains. Now from the next chain onwards, we are going to make 12 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the next, we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, will count as 1, into the next 2, and then the third one, then the fourth one, we'll make 2 more chain, and to the next we'll make the fifth one. So here we took 5 chains, here 5 chains, in between 12. 5 plus 5 10 plus 12, here we have now 22. Now we will take here 12, we will be having 12 chains here. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we got here 12 chains. Now again we are going to make into each double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and here the 12th one. Now we are going to do the slip stitch into the third chain, 1 2 3. Into this third chain will make a slip stitch. So this is how our first row looks. See here we got 4 corners, and then here we have 12 double crochet, 12 double crochet, here we have 5. Now insert the hook into this, and we are going to make 1 single crochet. Again insert the hook into this, make 1 single crochet. Again insert the hook into the second loop, make 1 single crochet, chain 2, same like this previous round. Inside this we'll make 1 more double crochet. This is one double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet. Then again top of this we are going to make 3 double crochets, 1 2 3, yarn over, inside we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet. Again top of this 12 double crochet we'll make 1 double crochet. One, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and then yarn over. Inside this we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet. Then top of this 3 we'll make 1 double crochet, 1 2 and 3, yarn over. Inside we'll make chain double crochet, chain 2, again 1 double crochet. Now from here to here we are going to make double crochets. We'll be having 14 double crochet stitches. Yarn over. Into this we'll make 1 double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Now let's do the slip stitch into the third chain. So for the second round we got 8 double crochets extra. When we move to the next round also we'll get 8 double crochets. So for the first round we got 34. When we went to the second round we got 34 plus 8, that is 42. When we go to the third row also 42 plus 8 we will get 50. So same like this we are going to continue till we get a desired size, which the size should be enough to cover the top portion. For that, same like the previous round, I'm going to make, just do the slip stitch inside into this, and then 1 more slip stitch just to reach the center, and then we'll make 1 single crochet, again into the second loop 1 single crochet, again into this 1 single crochet, we'll make chain 2, yarn over, inside we'll make 1 double crochet. Then top of this, here we got 3, now we have 5, and then next round we'll be having 7. We are going to make top of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here 3, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on top of this we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1 will make inside, so it's an increase, right? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we got here. Then chain 2. In each row we are increasing 8 double crochets, just keep in your mind, and then add these 8 double crochets into each of this row. So first row 32 plus 8, 34 plus 8, and then 42 plus 8, and then 50 plus 8, like this. So here I have totally completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of the same pattern, and this size is enough for us to cover the top part. So in this round we got from here this chain 2 space to here 11, here also 11, 11 plus 11 22, and then on this side we have 20, and here also 20. So 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 22 62. We have totally 62 double crochet stitches. So now we are going to make into the same stitch where we did the slip stitch 1 single crochet, and then insert the hook into the back loop of this next double crochet, make a single crochet, and then into this back loop, into each back loop we are going to make 1 single crochet. Into each back loop we are going to make 1 single crochet. Now into the last stitch we'll make normal slip stitch just to finish this round. So we have finished one round. Now the project started to grow downward. Here you can see after this. Now let's make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then insert the hook into the very next space, pull up the yarn over one time, insert the hook into the next and pull up the yarn over, pull through all these 3, just leave the last one, and then you will get 2 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through these 2, and then chain 1, then come to this next chain, insert the hook and pull up the yarn over one time, and insert the hook into this, pull up the yarn. So we got here 4 loops on a hook, yarn over, pull through these 3, and then we have 2, again yarn over, pull through these 2, chain 1, insert the hook into this next, pull up the yarn over, and then into the next, insert the hook and pull up the yarn. We got 4 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 3 and the last 2, chain 1, and then again insert the hook into this, yarn over, insert the hook into the next, pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 3 and the second 2, and then chain 1, insert the hook into the next, pull up the yarn over, pull, insert the hook into the next, pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 3 and the second 2, again we'll make chain 1. So same like this we are going to continue till the end of this row, and then again insert the hook into the very next, yarn over one time and pull up the yarn over, pull through the first 3 and the last 2, chain 1. I'm going to do the slip stitch into the third chain. Again let's make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook. Here you will be seeing a space, so insert the hook into this, pull up the yarn over, again insert the hook and pull up the yarn, same like before. We got 4 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 3 and the second 2, chain 1, then here we have the space, insert here into this, pull up the yarn over, then insert the hook into this space, pull up the yarn, again 4 loops on our hook. We'll do the same, chain 1 and then here we have the space. Insert the hook into this, yarn over, insert the hook on the other side. There are two spaces, and then we'll make chain 1. Again, insert the hook into this, pull up the yarn over into the next, and then yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2, then chain 1. Insert the hook into this, pull the yarn up, yarn over, insert the hook into the next. Then we got here 4 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2, chain 1. So same like this we are going to repeat till the end of this row. At the end we will make the slip stitch into the third chain. Again we'll chain up 3. We are going to repeat the same pattern till we get our project which is enough to cover the entire tissue box. So here I have finished totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rounds of the same pattern, and our project looks like this. Now the cover is ready. The size is enough for our tissue box to cover. Now I'm going to do the slip stitch. Just do the slip stitch into this. Chain 1. We'll snip off this yarn. And then using this hook we can hide this yarn inside. Here we have the tail, a small tail here, that also we will hide into this. So here the tissue box cover is ready. I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, so whenever I upload new video you will get a notification. And if you have any doubts, please mention it in the comment section or send a message through Instagram. So thanks for watching.